5 floors, so yung hallway ng 5 floors. Including na
Dito mo
yung...
tayo sa first one na ano,
Oo,
start.
pero 10 o'clock pa.
Sige. But you'll brief me muna, no?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sige.
You will sit down with Sir Archie, yung boss ko,
Okay.
to discuss this. Mag-settle muna tayo sila.
Oh, sige. Right. It's nice. I was actually asking, listening before magaya. Listening for the budget. But here, okay, sorry.
Your first time?
Yes.
So this is our session. Pero mag-settle. Ito sa lang lang.
Hindi pa na.
Sige.
Sir, kahit dito muna tayo, sir.
Okay, sige, here.
2 weeks, sir.
I'm good. Yeah, thank you. Or like probably cold water. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, baba muna tayo, no? Okay, yes.
Sir, alam mo na ako ulit sa ground floor 6.
Magsa-start tayo ng 6. Huwag sila sa ground.
Nakapunta sila dyan, sir, sa
Okay. Maintenance.
Yes.
Ah.
Ito yung sa 6. Yan.
Ah, sige. Okay.
Materials. Nasa floor. Tapos unti-unti na nag-aayos. Tapos pagdating ng 11. Pero lang po.
Sir, bili na. Okay.
So as you can see,
Kailan ko 20, may 20 pesos.
Ganon?
Okay.
Kapasabi ko na TV.
Okay, so mamaya pagbaba natin, maybe they can talk about it.
Yes. Meron silang
Maaari bang pagpunta ako dito, nandyan si Rose, tapos siya yung
si DepSec na.
Ay, yellow mako.
She's a Deputy Secretary for Legislation.
Are you one of the judges?
No. Okay. Huy! Okay, I see.
So ito naman very defined kahit hindi tayo magtanong kung alin yung hangganan ng ano.
Oh, pero this is like one floor.
one hallway. Wait lang, babalik pa lang.
Ay.
Hindi pa.
Asan ba si Apple? Ba't wala siya dito?
Ano sir, hindi na nga niya alam kung saan siya pupunta.
Nag-usap kami kahapon. Please call her.
Sabi ko na, may...
Saan siya? Hindi. Kausap mo sa 6 yung third. Lahat may banderitas. Yan, cover siya nung decor.
I see. So, anong nangyayari ngayon? May binibigay na
May mga ano
food?
kasi tayo, may mga food kiosk kasi tayo. Okay. Hi. So meron lang kami isang like 1 or 2 dishes with rice na i-deliver mamaya per offices. Tapos open yung pa food kiosk kami.
Okay.
Ito hindi talaga definitely hindi kasama. Ito
Okay.
yung fifth floor. Ito yung mga senator's offices.
Okay. Tsaka may Christmas light din. So, they're...
Reason to celebrate and honor the holiday's origin. The birth of Jesus Christ is a deeply significant and meaningful event in the Christian tradition. While it is celebrated festively today, the original first Christmas itself was not a grand occasion, but rather scratch papers, cardboard, home decor produced to create a backdrop that resembles starry night sky, dark blue
So is this- what is this?
produced heavenly and serene atmosphere. Scriptural quotes were added to reinforce the spiritual significance of the first Christmas. The use of white, gold, and blue symbolizes divinity, purity, and royalty. The Senate President Pro Tempore,
Hello.
Senator Oren Duarte, Senate Secretary, and Office of International Relations and Development updated the range of wallpaper using the resources
Jadi pwede. The cardboard is new, right? Wow. It's separate. Okay. Kasi meron din kami decorate kami mga rooms. Yeah. So what do you plan to do with the decorations after? Hello. Let's make a point. So my question is, what do you plan to do with the scraps after?
Like the product can still use them. Of course, the Lagos will go.
Yes.
The cartons will go. We go to our MRF.
Okay.
And then this one we keep because we can use them for next year.
Okay.
The other ones we can use. We keep on recycling actually because, sayang.
Okay, sige. Okay, great. Okay.
So we place so many products because it's, aside from first step, it's a symbol of hope.
Yeah.
So it's a symbol of hope for everybody. For that are alive after Christmas. We hope for everything good. Yeah, we have real food.
Your food, okay, okay. Yeah. Good, thank you, thank you. Okay, okay. Okay, let me go there. Okay.
We have the church. We have this one made out of paper. Numbers are better.
Chip station yun.
The garden sa likod.
Yes.
At the whole. And these are wrappers. Supot.
Right. Really nice kung paano ginawa yung wrappers.
Yeah.
Right.
Upcycle.
And your house, the Lord. Well, we're still with the shepherds on the hillside near Bethlehem. We hear the shepherds ask the angel where to find the Christ child, and the angel tells them to go to the manger. And as they leave, the sky is filled with other angels singing, "Glory to God, and on earth peace, goodwill to men." Let's follow Joseph and Mary into the town of Bethlehem, which tells them they could spend the night in a stable nearby. Now I told you something was going to happen, and it did. a baby boy is born to Mary and Joseph, whom they call Jesus. They had no baby's crib, so Mary puts little Jesus to sleep in the soft, sweet hay of a manger. Men who follow the star.
We three kings of Orient are, bearing gifts we traverse apart, hill and mountain, moor and mountain, following yonder star.
Divine manger. There, the three wise men present gifts to the Christ child. The first Christmas gifts never given to anyone. They give the gold, the frankincense, the fir. And they too follow the knees to worship him. And now a great peace settles on the night, for it is a holy night. All is calm, all
Si Director Jojo, he will explain to you.
Morning, sir. Welcome.
Hello, hello. Hey, hello. Hi, ma'am. Hi. Okay.
Magandang araw po. Magandang araw po.
Morning. Good morning. Yes.
Exhibit, meron sana kaming bigat ang bayan ng Liz na tulong. Bago tayo tumuloy,
Okay. Again. Okay. Okay na, sige.
Bagong alis eh. Sariwa. Masarap to. Langgunisa ka pa na yung ano. Maraming bawa. Sariwa. Silaw ka. Kami. Bagong
Vlog.
bigas namin dito. 50 lang. Ito lang.
Nakita ko nga, 15 eh. Sila Doming, 15.
Diba sir? Dito to.
Oo.
Dito totoo.
Dito. Ready. Sariwa ba yan? Okay. Ba't yun yung tsura ng ano? Thank you. Ah,
All our records.
okay. Pero hindi naman yan basura, no?
No.
Nice. Okay.
Records of the set.
kain po kayo, sir.
Sige.
Ayan.
Wow. Si ate ba yung nag-cook niyan? Maliit lang po.
Bite size lang muna. Bite size.
Pwede ba naka-shorts dito?
Paputok pa sila.
Ah. Sige, mamaya na lang. Thank you.
Sila po yung mga nangyayari. At ito po yung bahay po ni Julia.
Galing na kayo mga kape.
Ito po, meron pong mga nagle-lechon.
Typical.
Lechon ay isang tradisyonal na handa, lalong-lalo na sa Kapaskuhang Pilipino.
Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. Yes. Okay. Mahal na ice cream, 50 pesos. Okay.
Hindi na kayo dyan, ha?
Okay.
Ayan na sa kinan. Shaman, no?
Sir, sakay po kayo sa loob. Kukulang po kayo.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Joey, dali, pakilala mo.
Sir, papakilala ko lang po.
Si Heart tsaka si Bro. Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay. Next. Okay.
Ito po, papunta kasi sa simbahan. Nagtitinda po ng parolya ko. Ito mga parolya.
Okay.
Ito po. Yan. Simbahan na po ito.
Okay. Merry Christmas. Yes.
Sir, ito po yung ano,
Panggabi po niya.
nare-represent po siya ng simbang gabi at misa de gallo. Kung titingnan niyo po, lahat yung may isang ano po yan, yung may isang pathway. Ibig sabihin po yan, yung lahat ng ginagawa po ng mga Pilipino sa sitio legislatura, lahat po yan ay tungo po sa simbahan. Which is kung saan, yun naman po talaga ang kahulugan ng Christmas, diba? Birthday ni Jesus Christ.
Okay, papasok ako sa simbahan, ha? Okay. Ang ganda. Hello. Okay.
Actually, sir, lahat po yun.
Hindi ba natin kasama, ha? That's fine.
So this is the last one.
Okay. Yeah.
Ito naman yung ang
People are characters such as Santa Claus, Mrs. Claus, and the elves. Okay, so in our design, we also maximize the use of.
I'll go forward,
Yes, please. So in all our decors are made of recycled materials. So ito, notice, no? Diba? We crumpled, no? Yung mga... Ayan, krinang croquembouche. Ayan, ganda, diba? So, and also we made that snowman using our old tires. And then we have yung characters Christmas carolers. What is Christmas without the Christmas carolers?
Hello.
Those are old boxes non-record. So those are old boxes ng record section which they wrap para magbuka siya mga.
And originality shines through in resourceful, innovative, and environmentally conscious practices. Rooted in Filipino-ness, this identity celebrates harmony with nature, resilience, and a commitment to preserving cultural heritage, while forging a path towards a sustainable and inclusive future. The winner shows inclusivity, community, and collaboration and conscious practices, showing that Filipino Christmas should not just be seen, but felt and experienced. So the winner is the third one.
Where can you show it again, the third one?
So this is my explanation. This is the explanation. Okay. Great. Very nice.
You have to sign.
Pwede natin paggawan ng ano sa SMU pag inano yung winner, in-announce yung winner, di ba? They can do a video clip with the explanation and maybe some footage of the...
Yeah. So I just really wanna parang state that Christmas is not just be seen, but it should be felt and experienced. That's the most important thing.
And again, the winner is?
Maganda nga sir mapakita natin. Kasi